Hello. Today's question is to find coefficient of an expression of the given expansion. Here the expansion is nothing but the product of 10 individual expressions or the terms. If you have the product of different terms or the expressions and you have to find the coefficient, then it is nothing but the selection of different expressions. We just need to identify there are how many expressions which have A, which have B and H and so on. So after looking the given expression, we can say there are 10 expressions like A in all the expressions we have A, so 9 is B, C is 8, 7, and by saying this the J is in only one expression, which one is the last one, and we have to select the expressions. And we need to find the coefficient of expression, say A square, B square, C square, D square, H square. We need H square, and in the three different expressions we have H and we want H square. So we can say we need to choose two brackets out of three brackets. For the H, this is 3C2. For the D, there are 7 brackets which have D, but out of 7 brackets we selected 2 brackets which have H, so we have only 5 brackets left. Out of 7 there are 3 brackets. Out of 7 brackets of D we have 3 brackets which have H, and out of 3 brackets we selected 2 brackets, so we left with only 5 brackets. And out of 5 brackets we want 2D, so we have 5C2. Just check the lower term, which is R. We selected 2 and 2 4 brackets, and for the C we have 8 brackets. We selected 4 brackets, so 4 brackets left, and out of 4 we want 2. We selected 6 brackets. For the B there are 9 brackets. We selected 6 brackets, so we have 3 brackets left, and for the 3 brackets left we need 2 B's. This is nothing but 3C2. We selected total 8 brackets, and for the A we have 10 brackets, so out of 10 we selected 8 brackets, so only 2 brackets left, and for the 2 brackets we need 2A, which is 2C2, and we want all the terms together. So this is our answer for the coefficient, and solving this value we have 540. So our answer is option D. I hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubt, feel free to ping me. I'm just going to solve another coefficient question for the given expression. The expression is taken from the question. Okay, let's solve another question. For you, I have a question. Question is find the coefficient of A5 E cube G squared, the power is 10 from the expression given in the question. Please pause the video and solve the question. Okay, I think you have solved the question. The answer for this video I am writing the direct way. For the G, we are looking for 2 from the 4 brackets, that is nothing but the 4C2. We selected 2 brackets. For the E, we have 6 brackets, but we selected 2 brackets, so only 4 brackets left, and out of 4 brackets we need 3 E's, that means 4C3. And for the A we have 10 brackets, but we selected 5 brackets, so only 5 brackets left, is nothing but 5C5. I hope this is your answer. 4C2 is nothing but 6 and 4C3 is 4, so the coefficient of this term is 24. I hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubt, feel free to ping me. Okay, thanks.